Welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss theory of comparative advantage. Please also watch my other video on absolute advantage theory which was given by Adam Smith. Okay, so let's discuss theory of comparative advantage. This theory was given by David Ricardo in 1817. David Ricardo explains that the trade is possible between two countries when one country has an absolute advantage in the production of both commodities. David Ricardo explains if one country has absolute disadvantage in production of both goods, then it can trade in which the comparative disadvantage is less. David Ricardo has given some assumptions. This theory was 2 into 2 into 1 model, that is two countries, two goods and one factor of production, that is labor. Labor is homogeneous in terms of efficiency in a particular country. There was a perfect competition, full employment, constant return to scale, no transport cost, perfect mobility of factor within the nation and perfect immobility across the nations, free trade between nations. Now let us understand this theory by one example. Say there is two countries, country 1 and country 2, and two goods, good A and good B. Here the values are given labor cost of production in hours. Like country 1, to produce 1 unit of good A, use 10 labor hours. Country 1, to produce 1 unit of good B, use 12 labor hours. So we can see comparatively country 1 is using less number of hours for producing good A. So comparatively country 1 has a comparative advantage over good A. Similarly we see for country 2. Country 2 to produce 1 unit of good A use 9 labor hours, and country 2 to produce 1 unit of good B uses 8 labor hours. So if we compare for country 2 takes less number of hour for the production of 1 unit of good B. So country 2 has a comparative advantage over good B. So country 2 will export in good B and country 1 will export in good A, and therefore both the countries can gain from trade. Thank you.